Looking for an easy, healthy, cold treat this summer? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where together we create recipes in the kitchen to keep you and your loved ones healthy. Today we're going to be making a fiber-rich frozen banana treat. Begin by adding 5 medium-sized frozen bananas to your food processor. And if you're anything like us, we always have frozen bananas on hand to put into smoothies because it gives it such a creamy texture. And then also, if you're looking for a low-sugar prebiotic snack, green bananas are an excellent choice. Next, let's add in 1/3 cup of your favorite unsweetened nut, oat, or rice milk. 1/4 cup of either almond butter or peanut butter. And this is going to add a nice plant-based protein. It's also going to slow down the absorption of the sugar from the bananas. 1/4 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut for some added fiber. And you're always welcome to toast up the coconut to add a little bit more flavor. Next, for some flavor, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. You always want to make sure that you're using pure and not the imitation. The imitation is actually synthesized in a lab and it's not really vanilla. This next ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in 1 scoop of our Clean Source Collagens powder for just a little boost of protein. And it's also so great in helping support a healthy digestion and joints. It also supports healthy hair, nails, skin, teeth, and bones. Pulse your processor just a few times and then let it run until your ingredients are well combined. My food processor for some reason didn't work for me today, so I just blended everything up in my blender. A blender or processor will work just fine. And then you want to pour your mixture into a freezer-safe container. Next, let's add 1/4 cup of chopped up walnuts, which are really high in antioxidants, and they're excellent for your brain health. The last ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of stevia sweetened chocolate chips, just for some extra flavor and crunch. Stir in the walnuts and chocolate chips. Cover and place in the freezer for about 3 to 4 hours before serving. Okay, I have a special guest with me today, Brianna, to give this frozen treat a taste. And I went ahead and garnished with a little bit of Ceylon cinnamon on top. Just add a little bit of yumminess. I love the extra crunch and walnut that the chocolate chips add in there. It's got a really creamy, delicious, sweet taste. What do you think, Brianna?
It was really good. It looked creamy, then there was crunchiness and I wasn't expecting.
It's delicious, and you probably have all of these ingredients already in your home. I hope you give this one a try. It's so easy and so delicious and healthy. Bye, guys. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you stay inspired, and I'll see you next week in the kitchen. Bye-bye.